What's up for the squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And let me get the lighting. Where we at? Alright, there we go. Much better. But yeah, today we're actually going to be heading to Ace Cafe. There's another Nissan meet. Hopefully the turnout will be better. The weather is better, so we should be good. At least over here it is. We'll see when we get over there. But I just got off of work. Homie Ryan came by and he about to roll with me there. There we go. So yeah, we about to roll up there. And I'll pick the camera up when we get there. So one of these we just missed, and then it looks like another one's coming around. But we here, as you can see, and it's pretty early, so not a lot of people here yet. Definitely seen this as soon as we came in. Very clean. And that was not the Nismo, that was a different one. It's a nice little squad. Well, I don't want to say little, but you know what I mean. It's a nice squad. They looking good. I don't know if they all together or what, but not Nissan, but I still like them. Sheesh, look at that. So clean. Look how low it is. And it still got that gap in the front. Sheesh. Homie Brandon. And we got Franz here as well. And this so clean. Oh yeah. Very clean. Sheesh. Yeah, the other Z's were parked up over here. Sadie squad. Got a Mustang over there. I'll go check that out in a moment. But yeah, it's pretty light so far. Now you know. GT350. Yeah, it's not even as many as it was last time, but we'll give it some time, see how it goes. Alright, so I missed the GTR when he pulled off. Sounded pretty good too. But let's get the Honda squad. Thing is crazy low. Yeah, sad turnout today. It is worse than it was last time. I think right now we the only Nissans here. Just us four, and then the Infinity is there. Oh no, we got the the 370 up front. And there was a Rogue that was here, but they dipped too. But yeah, we'll probably just hang out for a little bit, go get something to eat. I don't think I'm going to stretch this video out any longer. If anything else happens, I'll throw a clip or two in here. But before we end it, I'll go ahead and do the comment of the day. And the comment of the day goes out to... And if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. And who knows, you might be next. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. And as always, stay fitted. Peace.